What's wrong with Russia? Since the beginning of the invasion of Ukraine, Russia still leaves some mysteries about its military strength, especially about advanced fighter jets such as the Su-57, which has not been issued until now. Russia itself has a stealth fighter jet that is quite sophisticated, and nuclear bombers enough to level mountains. But why? They didn't use it even though they had launched a massive military attack. Is Russia afraid of a big war? But I don't think that's the problem. It turns out that such a military process has been well defined since the Second World War. The process is to launch precision strike missiles first, using those missiles to destroy radar, anti-aircraft guns and runways to prevent opposing aircraft from flying. Then the new fighter jets will be deployed to keep the sky or its airspace safe, and to respond as quickly as possible to the forces on land and in the water.